Oh, you don't know how to make Rotel Nachos? We can make that. Y'all see that right there? Ooh, wee. Rotel Nachos. I had it with some jalapenos, avocado. Oh, my goodness. Let me show you how to make it. First, chop up your jalapenos, chop up your tomatoes, chop up your avocado, chop everything up. Yeah, I like to take out the gut of that tomato because I'm going to be honest, I don't like none of that slimy stuff. Ew. Right? So we're going to chop out tomatoes. We're going to dice them the long way. Then we're going to dice them, you know what I'm saying, into little small cubes. And then we just going to set everything to the side while we work on our ground beef. All right? So the ground beef, we going to cook that till it get brown like me. Yeah. This should take about 5 to 10 minutes. You know what I'm saying? I'm moving next month, so that's why I'm not using my ground beef breaker. I'm using whatever I got. So now that it's brown like me, I'm going to hit it with some salt, a little bit of pepper. You know what I'm saying? And then we're going to drain out that grease because we don't want no grease in our ground beef. And we about to put some sausage on this thing. That's the spicy Italian sausage. So I mixed it and then just break it up. Do y'all mix y'all ground beef with Italian sausage for y'all nachos or rotel? Let me know in the comments. Now look, once that thing get fully cooked, we got to work on that dip, you heard? So yeah, let's get that rotel going. Yes, I use a fire roasted. Those is fire, trust me. Use it. Now right here, you want to add some heavy cream. I didn't have heavy cream, so I just used regular milk. And then I did add Velveeta. Listen, argue with your mama, all right? I'm using Velveeta in my rotel. And I also had some pepper jack. Now, you want to mix this in till it get real smooth and creamy. Break everything up. This should take about 5 minutes. I also added some sour cream to it. You know, get that texture right. See how it's already loosening up? Yeah. Add some mozzarella cheese. Oh, yeah. You see that thing bubbling. And you just want to mix it in till it get like this right here. You see that? Oh, cheesy, baby. Oh, so cheesy. Yes, that's how it's going to go down, baby. Now, avocados. See, I already got the tomatoes diced. I already got the jalapenos diced. The avocados, this is how I cut my avocados. If y'all got a better way of cutting the avocados, let me know in the comments below. This way was cool, but, you know, I'm always open to take an easier way to cut these things. You know what I'm saying? But I cut them, like, basically into strips, then to dice cubes like this, scoop it out with a spoon, and yeah. For garnishes on nachos, I'm not gonna lie, I don't like my avocado too ripe. You know what I'm saying? I like it just right. You know what I mean? This is good for me right here. But like I said, if y'all got an easier way, let me know. I know it's probably a machine or something I could use. But yeah, I'm gonna have to look for that or something because this is kind of annoying. I ain't gonna lie. And you could put salt and pepper on your avocado if you want. I ain't put no salt and pepper on it. I'm going to be honest, I didn't. And yeah, I just chopped it up, as you can see right there. Then I added the ground beef to the cheese sauce. Ooh-wee. You could throw jalapenos in here as well, but I didn't want it to be too spicy for wifey, you heard? So that's why I put it on the top as a garnish. But y'all see it right there? That's consistency that I wanted, you know, like this right here. Y'all see that? That's how I like it right there. You do it to the consistency that you like it. But this right here, good enough for me. Now we're going to plate this thing. So first we're going to get our Doritos. Use your favorite chips. Get some Doritos or get some corn tortillas. Slice them up, you know what I'm saying, into like triangles and then fry them. Do your thing. And then look. Ooh, wee. Just lay that thing out. Lay the dip. Because it's Rotel dip, to be honest. So you just lay the Rotel dip out. Layer everything how you want to do it. You can add whatever you want in the middle. This is just how I did it right here. More chips. You know what I'm saying? Then I use a different one. I never had these before. It's my first time using these. So I mixed the chips. You know, I try to get a little spicy with it. But at this point, you basically done. And, you know, I'm making it look nice for y'all. But like I said, you could do it any way that you want to do it. This is just how I'm doing it. I'm making sure all of this hit every chip. See that right there? Oh, wait. Then I'm going to just put some more chips on top. I ain't even going to lie. You know what I'm saying? I should have added some jalapenos and tomatoes and all that avocado through the middle. But, nah. I'm going to just add it on top because I always got more to, you know what I'm saying, just put on. Or, I mean, I didn't want to do too much because then it's going to get soggy too quick. And honestly, I'm about to body these down. But y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think about this Rotel dip, what y'all think I could have did better. This is how you make it quick and easy. Y'all see that right there? It look like money. But first, the first topping that I'm going to put on here is going to be the lettuce. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to hit it with a little bit of lettuce. And then we're going to hit it with some jalapenos, baby. We're going to got to get it spicy. This is some butter lettuce that I had chopped up in the fridge. And yeah, I had to use it. You know what I'm saying? So get this up out of there. Then we're going to hit them with our jalapenos, baby. And if you didn't know, now you know how to make it, y'all. Jalapenos, avocado, diced tomatoes, and that's it. And you could throw some sour cream on top, and that's how you make Rotel Nachos Chef Flacco way. And if you didn't know, now you know. Don't tell me I ain't told you so. Make sure y'all book me for catering events. Your next event, book me for it. Let me be the private chef. If you want to, have a little intimate moment with your lady, book me. Hit the link in the bio. We can make that soul food BBQ. That is the name of my company, and we are fully active in business, and I'm coming to you live and direct. Any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments, DM me, visit my brand new website, www.wecanmakethatsoulfulbbq. All right, y'all. I'm out.